What's up, guys? Good day. It's your boy here, Komodo Bill, and welcome to another episode of Komodo Modify. So for today, we're gonna open up a package that I received. This is actually this came from Max Motorcycle Shop. This is actually an open muffler that I bought a couple of days ago. So I received this package for at least 3 days. It took me 3 days before getting the package. So yeah, let's open it up. It's well packaged. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Look at that. Here's the package. Put it right there, right side. Okay, so what's inside this canister? What's inside this package? Let's see. The brand is Akrapovic. Okay. This is not actually an original brand. It's just actually a copy of Akrapovic. Let's see. This is actually the emblem. That's nice. Okay, put it there. And what do we got here? Ooh. Okay. I'm excited to know how it looks like. What it looks like. Let's see. Okay. So this is it. Akrapovic open muffler copy. Let's see how it looks like outside of the box. It's straight. I'll have this installed later on to my Raider 150 Fi, and I'll show you guys how it sounds. So let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's so it's fancy. What? It almost looks like the original one. Oh, oh my. This is all. Let's put it there. Side. It looks very fancy, guys. Look. Oh, this is fancy. I'm not expecting this. Come on. I'm not expecting this to look like this, because it's very cheap. It's very cheap. Guess I'll save that for later, huh? Okay. You know what? I'm very excited to install this to my motorcycle. I'm curious on how the sound will look like or how it sounds. So I would say this is the bracket that you'll be using. Is it colored white or no? No, it's not. It's not white. It's stainless. Look. Woo! Love that. Whew. With that side, don't need that. Oh, nice. Look at that. I would say should go inside of the bracket like this. Bonk. Pink. Nice. Look. Look. Perfect. Just perfect. Okay. So this is what you get for 1,199 pesos. Canister muffler. You have here the silencer. And that's a carbon copy. Nice. Okay. Shout out to the motorcycle shop, Shopee Online, for giving me an idea on where to get this thing. Thank you so much. So I have this installed to my Raider 150 Fi, and I'll give you guys a sound test later on. Okay? Peace.